Hello everybody, today we can see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI ENA screen CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI ENA screen CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay. This product contains 1 bottle lyophilized magnetic microbeads, 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 7.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Here we can note, please reconstitute the lyophilized magnetic microbeads. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130617504M. This is a C certificate IVD product. Over here the pictorial represents one instruction manual. Inside this kit we can show away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of the test kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 50 tests using this reagent kit. Here we can see the lot number and expiry date also. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. The origin of this product is China. Here we can see the address also. This is the overall front view of this product. Here we can see the another angles. In the side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI ENA screen, reference number 130617504M, then lot number, then expiry date also. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, the first product is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, the product name MAGLUMI ENA screen CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay. This is C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this product is 130617504M, 50 tests per kit. Here we can see the intent use summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, and lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a reagent seal. Here we can see MAGLUMI reagent seal ENA. Total of 3 nozzles. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And keep this aside. And the next one is a control stickers. Here we can see total of 8 nozzles. The first 4 for ENA screen control 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And the second 4 for is ENA screen control 2. Total of 8 nozzles. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is the control solutions and lyophilized magnetic microbeads. This is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly the white color cap is control 1, red color cap is control 2, and the purple is lyophilized magnetic microbeads. Now I am going to take one. Here we can see ENA screen control 1 MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, and also lot number. This is a control 1. I am going to take control 2 MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml ENA screen control 2. I am going to take this purple color cap. Here we can see ENA screen lyophilized magnetic microbeads MAGLUMI, a 1 bottle. There is a note for this. Please reconstitute the litholysis magnetic microbeads and keep this aside. And the final one is MAGLUMI ENA screen reagent kit. This kit contains 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 7.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AV label, 15 ml dilute. Here we can see the lot number also. This is the overall representation of this product. I am going for summary. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI ENA screen CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, one QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, control stickers for control 1, control 2, total of 8 nozzles, MAGLUMI reagent seal, then control 1 and control 2 and magnetic lympholytic magnetic microbeads. The control 1 contains 1 ml, control 2 contains 1 ml, then magnetic microbeads is 1 bottle. Then the reagent kit contains 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 7.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABA label, 15 ml dilute. Thank you.